wujidi paaa se wa wutie mi anope wujidi ye paaa se President Akufo-Addo breso ene ye Gabi ochire da asare da ko se Gabi asare ochire da ko whatever the name arrangement is enna President Akufo-Addo aban ede da man sha concession kese no ewo ho no wode ama no wo wieye President Akufo-Addo aban ede Azuma resources muka Azuma resources maji wase menye media wase nya media yeso wonfa wase mafa twema mentwe saa bebi atumi wo akinye ni ho eno so ekọ me sa Ghana ni businessman wo ye na adwuma wo ye adwuma genuinely obenya ni sika enhame na de hame wo ho ne se nra wo kaseti a se enya enne be consistent and say enne so enye senka President Akufo-Addo abreso pa na yesi Gabi ena daman waje Gabi ena Zuma resources wakwa akọje ena ye ne dia sa hit go face anope meka ho ase me say obi a wo pa nukura bi ombia hit go face no ko register agent and kratem na ko hwe hit go face na ho ade ya
abusuafo me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana Nsem TV so but more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also onsa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen na person boan which are through number na wasi ono adaroma in sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadian I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, Addo more rebellious politicians, now of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Wujidi paaa se wa wutie mi anope wujidi ye paaa se President Akufo-Addo breso ene ye Gabi ochire da asare da ko se Gabi asare ochire da ko whatever the name arrangement is enna President Akufo-Addo aban ede da man sha concession kese no ewo ho no wode ama no wo wieye President Akufo-Addo aban ede Azuma resources muka Azuma resources maji wase menye media wase nya media yeso wonfa wase mafa twema mentwe saa bebi atumi wo akinye ni ho eno so ekọ me sa Ghana ni businessman wo ye na adwuma wo ye adwuma genuinely obenya ni sika enhame na de hame wo ho ne se nra wo kaseti a se enya enne be consistent and say enne so enye senka President Akufo-Addo abreso pa na yesi Gabi ena daman waje Gabi ena Zuma resources wakwa akọje ena ye ne dia sa hit go face anope meka ho ase me say obi a wo pa nukura bi ombia hit go face no ko register agent and kratem na ko hwe hit go face na ho ade ya se enne ono so afa hwan priest aden ono so afa no so aka ho pass President Akufo-Addo abreso na tasem wesi kaga na anke nyina enko ha and it is fair. It is fair. Obi o kan sa time ni bia no na ye fair o ho kwan se o ma eja pade ye ntimi mfa mma ba akofo o kan na odika ene de na asesa e na asesa me ana se nipa kuo bi o ho a om de om ye nipa se na obi anya sa dabi anya na sa enti se ye chechire o man na ese e be ya mo man na ye yi a be principled also for restate LGBTQI as it was in the beginning is now and never shall be world without end. Obi na dey politics o. Enra na wo kan say wo be ma check seat of government the honor politics na say here. To pe be politics say here ho. LGBT dey obi antimi mfa me sheka peta say o. Ene ye mu bi dey say Nyankopon je ye ne ya de kasa. LGBT. So long as me, I have voice and I sit on radio, I'll talk about LGBT. And I will say a priority every day. And no a priority, and ne a priority, a china a bear priority. Obia or bed dodgy LGBT biano, and kind of crunch Ghana for. Sam George, fellas, scratch over you. But someone who, and ne, shoe no, I bet you 9 for fronty, more than Danny. It must be a politics. I ain't cannot cray and find Chere who on my way. You who say, no cray, and I owe me. On my teacher, Professor Safo say, intentional and accidental.
Felix is my neighbor, and he has a very difficult work to do, and I can sympathize with him to be a spokesperson of a president. Why you promise to the whole of Ghana, near so for imam, and near him for a chantro, they a 2 foot through other dank of what you move on LGBT. No, and also when 93% of Ghanaians Afro barometer survey, then no kutu. No, every enough it was any priority. It is not important. Video no, Obia, you be a TV, Sabia, Obia on table for crown, or man and Nana, our school training. We are listening, we are be bro for back penny in Eka. Nippon say, and important in Yano, your basic needs, and can we are, young can was them. Quite also can say. Ono atem we di media no say nka me coat na ka me shirt. Say adwuma we dey offer to ho so a they will unleash the attack dogs on you. I'm not even surprised. Or say no ono ye bisa a question that other paper ne so several times answer oba be here no. Bisa say you delete free so. Oba na de chene delete free so anke be ne de. So even if you bring you list an item on the other paper and ne won't take it kra be that so forever to say we be take it. One more ya to actually one say they are considering. What are they considering? Men are mere one of the sponsors. Many honorable Sam George, you know. Obian for invitation, be amre say, bra, na yen consider as a ranking member on committee on intelligence on defense and interior. In your bill, a security and intelligence agencies bill. I am on mampeni priority. Important to him, no. Or the instruction can money urgent. And the better you pressure be free every quarters. A buy, Tempani Chro demand the sponsor, which is the Minister for Interior.
Are you saying Senator Felix Ekananya Kwettey it is not a consideration?
That's not been considered.
As a committee.
That's not been considered. Well, has been referred to the committee. But for it to be considered, they will invite who sponsor. What are you going to consider? In parliamentary practice, to me, Nipan ordinary buy, we invite in, now say me consider. And Omo a lawyer bedi akunku twa santro no e kosi san e bobon committee members bidin so chairman of human rights committee kurakusia akosombo akwasafari omo friend team fojo no anko bi wana obi friend no ofroza da be na free akosombo ba say akosombo yanko ya meeting bia ya invite team fojo meeting bia ho afempo ne e bedwen ho da ya dey say meeting no be she. We are going to put pressure on them say as soon as possible they must call that meeting. We must consider it. Parliament baby no near real report no. Yes, the same baby because old bill now near their two near pass within that same day. Woman gold board buy and I'm saying a woman priority important to them. Yet now said the same day 2 a.m. they pass them out. We have passed 33 bills from January 2025 till now under certificate of urgency.
33 bills.
33 bills.
Right. 80
urgency.
Identity LGBT in their moment.
Identity LGBT in their
maybe
because they control Parliament. Only the crown Speaker of Parliament. Only the crown majority leader who is the business committee chairman. He is the leader of government business. Who's original Parliament? Even for you to be called to speak, Speaker must call you. If you have a statement, Speaker and Frewa won't mean. If you have a bill to take, if the business committee has not approved it and not listed it, and even the Speaker has not called for it, you cannot. And you see the control of Parliament, particularly when they have 2/3 of Parliament, must tell you say the omoka opposition, say omo hia asem no. Say nka yakumam enanya hypocrisy, enanya na da omo dia da Ghana for. Nka within 1 week, nka possible yewi. The make cultural president Mahama say and Felix said the Ghana for atem say enya de hia Ghana for any LGBT. That's what say enya no credit dia. And no Esra Mampeni Mahama say ochina ya oma bontin meka say afi LGBT no important to him. Enti no bill no obebiem amia sign na ono anso ne promise was say obe introduce government sponsored bill no or the ba here to me abuano near passing tentem na the oka no Ghana for to me agina di wo until then no ye mu bi ye be so apale pressure for President Mahama to set his priorities right. Yeah, man, Sabia, and for Ghana for Adrian Niagara. You will be, we have been consistent and we will be until the bill is passed.
Peace FM. I said, Yan to Obama John Mahama will be creating Numa 3 million job. Ebi bakwa adwuma no pa wiye numere. Ebi bedua nua bi bɛyɛ nkokɔ bi bɛma agyata aduane ɛwɔ nwuram. Wo wiye ya wafa kwati kwan akoto police forms, migration officer, fire service. O pa ban adwuma ye. Me kwaku yebo a me nia ma pa ɛna ɔwo mampani kofo ɔno mom ɛna nkɔma agyata aduane ni. Na wo ɛbɛfa wo free ghetto ho Nzongo street ho no. Wo koya ban adwuma nya sa. Na nkwada na eti East Legon no sa nkwada no mom na nkoma jata aduane eto da na ye kasa sabi yen mabunu yensua nyansa yensua nyansa motida munti bi da enipo no betwa teacher and nursing training for alawem backpack na ebinum wie won service ya etime GB eton sase ehan ya dan dwomama ba ye sa backpack wo twem embago brofo e friend embago enipa wonu ba be creative brofo embago krom ha dwomama se obi be wie suku ni yemfa no aban adwumam dwomama nipa onu ba be gu ankrankra adwuma true dum so wona na ewonu private company oba be gu no dwomama ka kire mu mabu no asabi yanyi mutirimu adwene ento ya ni mu se oba be kreti nyuma 3 million na mu nam kroi mu ye dede tuatua ya soboa mabunu makot na classroom e binum ya akrachefo sa nipa wenum eye jandam krom ha na mu matim hu gumontene ba omi asa monto aba mame minam true IT so mema mo ya adefo krom ha titiru no mu o ma wie university mo se dabi nipa so a wawe kura ayi koto achi pen kaso obawe kura ya nyina chinye yanim ni ya bawomia nam digitalization so ma ya nya ne so wo man na mfa so a Ghana da so e benefit from bawomia ni nimdie ni nyansa no se dabi NDC for farm na jandam kuroi mu yededa to the sense mu tu MPP aban etuguye mu atru mu di kira kuafo ena mu nkurasefo nkora na koto forms mu pe fire service migration police akọ na nkwada na egu kurom East Legon fo nkwada na ye hunwura da no mu akongura makoma agata aduane mu adwene ye adwuma ha NDC mabunu mi busamo mu adwene pa damu tirimu no eye adwuma no buafu na mu mabunu amokoto abama NDC aban mu duru 3 million mu buafu joma ma eba so wankaso obefa mu police ni soje 24-hour economy mu be yen kokko aduanua ama nyata aduane wo nwuram mu be run shift eno no wokaye akufu ado ba 2016 ne policy no waso oba na nkwade wo krom ha akosuku kwa eno na abatan ejina so de to abama MPP aban yatisika so ekomode yen eyampa so akufu ado ba ye no otua Ghana kwada bia school fees ni ena ye awofo responsibility se omoye obageto ne ho so ema sa batan no esika kan botom eno ni sika wode be hye botom yatikro we mumusimu nsua nyansa ana gbangban no mo asesa mfidie agu ka mu eko float eye dede krom ha miya me kan ye ka obi a orane ayi coastal NDC for ko float udi musai obi a wo ye coastal udi musai babunu a wawie school pa adwuma na party we ye jandam na mudim anesefo na mudim enema huma wie ye yakoto police forms ya amfayen na we soja ni police ni adwuma mahama udi mahama ho adanse ye so ode bre krom hafo mom ye nya nyansafo Bible say ye ne nyansafo mo na ye hunu nyansa kuroi aduru bre wose ye hunu nyansa ene wo kukutua so ya mfa wo soja police wo ya mfa wo batiri mu duruduru wo ya mfa wo soja ne police na hwan na enkodu enua hwan na enkwa na mawia so enua hwan na nnama nua minister no MP no DC no ba enkodu enua ho sa 5000 ayi na ayaye no DC no ba enkodu enua minister no ba enkodu enua koko board fo no ye ma enkodu enua na wo no